and welcome back. In this video we're going to make a site plan for our house. So you can see the borders in our site plan. All we need to do is to put our house into this space. But first of all, you must remember one rule. It must be far from the site 3.5 meters. That is architectural code. So let's draw some basic lines to see where our house can fit. So this is the distance that we need for putting our plan inside our property. We're going to use the foundation plan for this process. I'm going to copy and paste the foundation plan into our site plan. Now let's delete all the necessary stuff, like the dimensions and like the interior walls. Okay, now so you can see that we have a very big space. So I want to put my floor plan in upward direction. That in the front of the house I have much more space. Okay, let's just center my plan. Draw one line over there and try on one line in my plan. Let's use the line command and then the mid command to draw the midline. And let's center my plan. So, okay, this look good. I had centered my plan, and I'm going to delete all the assistant lines. I'm going to delete my hashed from now. Yeah, this look good. Okay, let's drive some road for my garage. And let us make a path for our entry. Yeah, this look good. Okay, let's just make a little hash in our entry to show that there's going to be a titles there. Use this hash title. Yes, they're too small. Let's just select them, and in the scale let's put at 10. Yeah, this will good now. So we can put some decoration now. Oh. Yeah, I have a wall pad. I didn't see that. So let's just quickly match properties, the pads. Let's choose the full file and put the solid hash in our floor plan, in our house plan. Okay. Now we can use some block titles for trees or decorations, or whatever you need. That's all depend of you, what you're going to decide the site plan. We put one tree over there, and another tree here, here. Yeah, that's good. You can design your site plan in whatever needs that you need. You can put some grass, you can put some fountains in your site plan. You can put some, I don't know, flowers maybe, whatever you want. So basically, this is our site plan, and see you next time.